The buzz cut is a traditional haircut that is identified by hair that is clipped very close to the head. Make sure you have the right tools, clippers, guards, and a mirror so you can see the front and back of your head. When choosing your guards, use the 3-2-1 rule. 3 guard on top of your head, 2 on the sides and back, and then the 1 guard to trim up the edges. The number 3 is usually the shortest you can go before starting to see the scalp. This rule applies to various lengths as well. So if you want longer length on top, you can use a 5 on the top, 4 on the sides, and 3 to clean up the edges. When starting this haircut, it's easier if the hair doesn't have any product or is wet. Wet hair isn't good for the clippers and may actually pull the hair instead of making a clean cut. This happens because when the hair is wet, it clumps together and it could clog the blade. Also consider feeling your head for any lumps or bumps. This will tell you if maybe you should or should not do a buzz cut. The more variations your head provides, the more your haircut will show these variations. Start by placing the number 3 guard on your clipper and ensure the clipper is closed by pulling up the lever. You'll start at the top of the head and work the clippers from front to back. Keep the clipper flat against the head and work slowly to ensure a nice, clean cut. As you work around the head shape, work the clippers from side to side and then from back to front. And repeat these steps to ensure that you have not missed any hairs on the top of your head. Continue this technique until you have completed the entire top section of the head. Keep the clipper clean by brushing away any loose hairs that may be trapped within the clipper. Remember to keep that clipper flat against the scalp and work slowly from front to back, side to side, and back to front. Once all the hair is removed, give it another pass through, working across the head shape from side to side. Repeat these steps, working from the back of the head to the front of the hairline. Now we're going to cut the side of the head. Put the number 2 guard on your clipper and ensure the lever is closed by pulling the lever up. Move the clippers from the bottom towards the top, moving the clippers against the grain in an up and down motion. Work your way around the head shape and remember to keep the clipper flat against the head shape and work slowly around the head. Now we'll size down one more guard size and put the number 1 guard on your clipper with the clipper open by pushing down the lever. This is for making the sides shorter, and it will give the top of your head a full appearance. Making it shorter on the sides give this buzz cut a nice uniform look. When working on the back of your head, stand with your back to the mirror and adjust the hand mirrors so that you can see the back of your head in the bathroom mirror. And run the clipper from the bottom, working towards the top of your head. When working the edges of the hairline, use the number 1 guard with the lever closed. Place the base of the clippers flush against the side of your sideburn area and slowly glide the clipper up until the top edge of the clipper is at the height that you want. Now trimming the back of the nape is extremely difficult. The key is to use your natural hairline as a guide. If you don't feel comfortable, you can either leave it alone or have someone help you. If you decide to trim the neckline, use a hand mirror to carefully trim a straight line across the back of your neck. Once this is done, you can round the corners to finish the job or leave it alone. At this point, it is your preference. Trimming the sideburn, place the trimmer at the height you want the sideburn to live and press it flush against the skin. Clean up any hair underneath. Remember, when working around the hairline, stay as natural as possible. Lastly, double check your work using the mirror to check for any uneven spots. Go over the spots if needed, and be sure to tuck your ear to check the area around your neckline.